Welcome to our video where we'll be comparing two of the best mesh Wi-Fi systems out there, Google Wi-Fi and NETGEAR Nighthawk. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your needs. In this video, we'll be evaluating these two products in different categories to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Both mesh Wi-Fi systems provide excellent coverage, but if you have a larger home, NETGEAR Nighthawk would be the better option, as it covers up to 4,500 square feet and 25 plus devices, while Google Wi-Fi only covers up to 4,500 square featuring with 3 units. Both products are equipped with the latest technology, but NETGEAR Nighthawk has Wi-Fi 6 technology for uninterrupted streaming, web conferencing, and gaming. Google Wi-Fi uses network assist technology that selects the clearest channel and fastest band for your device. Both systems are easy to set up and manage through their respective apps. However, Google Wi-Fi has a simpler app, which allows you to set up the units quickly, see what's connected, prioritize devices, and pause the Wi-Fi on kids' devices. NETGEAR's Nighthawk app also allows you to test internet speed and monitor data usage, but it has more advanced settings. NETGEAR Nighthawk comes with a 90-day subscription to NETGEAR Armor that protects your family's Wi-Fi with an automatic shield of security across all your connected devices. The system also has a 30-day free trial of NETGEAR Smart Parental Controls that promotes healthy internet habits, fosters responsibility, and builds trust with your kids. Google Wi-Fi provides parental controls, but you need to have a Google account for those features. Google Wi-Fi system is priced at $44, while NETGEAR Nighthawk is priced at $173. If the price is a factor, then Google Wi-Fi is a more affordable option. And that's our comparison of Google Wi-Fi and NETGEAR Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi system. Both mesh Wi-Fi systems have their own strengths, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations.